Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Huawei MatePad Pro 12.6 2022 edition, which was just released yesterday. Special thanks to my partner Eva for providing part of the content. Please consider subscribing to her channel, link is in the description. First things first, you might wonder, what's the difference between the MatePad Pro 11? Well, first of course, it's the size. I put them side by side so you can see the difference directly. Second, it would be the rear camera design. The 11 adopts this kind of round design while the 12.6 is rectangular. Also, we see the highlight selfie camera to the black border, so the screen looks like a complete piece. For this, the 12.6 offers a much bigger battery and 27 watts wireless charging. One of the things I have to mention is for the new 12.6, it supports display always on. You can use it as a clock or something. Regarding the Stylus and Keyboard, it's basically the same as before. Like for the M Pencil, they offer several features like free script, double tap eraser. If you really want to go in depth, they have 23 pages of tips for you. I'll leave it to you to explore more. The system and the software are major highlights of this Huawei MatePad Pro 12.6. It's equipped with Huawei PC application engine technology to realize the native experience of PC applications on Harmony OS tablets. For example, the desktop version of WPS can use various functions perfectly. Here, compared to the previous 12.6 edition, you can see it's really simplified. However, currently it's in beta version and still needs some work to make the user experience go smoothly. Another feature is the remote PC function. You can remotely operate the PC equipment and turn on the tablet into the PC operation and display portal, making Office work more convenient. Again, Huawei still works on it and should be ready in a few months. That's the video. For me, I feel it's a little bit strange since Huawei just used the old MatePad Pro 12.6 to name this new 2022 edition. But upgrade is solid, whether that's Huawei PC application engine technology or the remote PC function, which could boost your work efficiency significantly. Can we finally call it a productivity tool instead of just an entertaining electronic device? What do you think? Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sami, I will see you in the next one.